Hello everyone, Luke Rides, and what you're about to meet is what every brand is offering here at Motorcycle Live from Kawasaki.
Nice.
BMW, Honda, Suzuki, Yamaha, Indian Motorcycles, CF Moto, KTM, Husqvarna, Benelli, and whatever other brands you might meet along the way. And let's get it. Let's see what each brand has to offer.
It's showtime.
This is Zero at Motorcycle Live 2023. Let's see what they've got. So Zero is electric. No combustion engine or anything like that, just electric. So, what does that mean? Really quiet. No noise whatsoever. Luke Rides got to experience an electric motorcycle, and it was boring. So quiet and so boring. There was no feel from it.
Oh my god.
Top speed.
Got a massive battery pack.
Be alright. I'm alright for charging.
Ooh, what's that? Ooh, look at this. Damage from paintwork. Uh-oh. So, apparently, it will have an overall range you spend a lot of time on the streets. 154, though you know you're never going to get that from a battery pack. 60 horsepower and a fair bit of torque, but look at that, 86 miles an hour and a humongous great big battery pack. Is that it? It's not a lot, is it? 86 miles an hour on a battery pack. Well, as you move on to here, this is where you can... So you can't really believe it. Battery packs are big. Rubber belt. Good looking swing arm. Show front forks. And then you get to some of their concepts and well, it's a concept. I don't know. So there's that. And then you've got their touring models. So Venture DSR X. So big battery packs. Apparently, combined range of probably like that number, 107 miles or less. Fully charged, remember? Fully charged. And then top boxes, different colour schemes, and then Zero DSR. Alright, so this is 93 miles. So that is bigger battery pack inside. And it's nice how they kind of made the battery packs look interesting rather than just being a great big blob. Monoblocks up front by brands Luke Rides never heard of, and the typical LED lights, painted rear shock which looks nice, nice wheels, seat looks good. And then you get TFT along there. Cruise control. one button. Weird. There you got different modes, you've got indicators, you've got passing lights. And that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it. Will it be fast? Yeah, it will be fast. Can't knock it, it will be fast.
Cool.
But no noise, no drama, no, just silence. The world is going this way. It is going more towards electric motorcycles, just like it's doing with cars at the moment. It's going more towards that direction. But not, no noise, super quiet. Sure, it will be fast, but it's just like, yeah.
Do you want to go have a look at the clothing?
This one. More power, more torque on this one. Bigger battery pack on this one. Okay, so think of that as your standard naked. Think of this as your Zero Super Naked. And bronze alloys, which looks pretty good, although it's very black. And you've got LED indicators instead on this one. And you've got TFT with a bit more information, cruise control. So imagine this is where the charger goes into. And then this is a Zero faired bike. So you've got loads of fairings. So you've got loads of wind protection, same TFT as that one. And in red, bronze alloys, 17.3 lithium ion battery, very fast, should be LED. That's 113 horsepower, and that would be fast. There. And it does look good. And it's an electric motorcycle. And that is Zero motorcycles for 2023 at Motorcycle Live. Yay! Electric! Thanks for watching, everybody, at Luke Rides, and it's amazing to think the standards that we're seeing now, the high standards when it comes to motorcycles, and each brand is offering good levels, the main brands, high standards of motorcycles, and for everything, apart from Suzuki, super bikes, you know, super sports, super tourers, super nakeds, cruisers, grand tourers, super enduro, off-road, everything. Cruisers, super cruisers. It's really good. Thanks for watching.
The little rascal has spirit. As water.
He's the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
Now, let's get LaCroix. Let's do some coffee. It happens to be back there. I know. Getting dizzy, aren't you?